Integrating EditMentor with Canvas LMS allows teachers to seamlessly assign and track student work. Here are the steps to follow. Navigate to the Canvas admin dashboard and select Developer Keys. Choose the plus LTI key. Make sure to select Manual Entry. Enter the following details. Key name, EditMentor. Title, EditMentor. Add a descriptive note like EditMentor Video Assignments Tool. The target link and the redirect links and the OpenID Connect Initiate URL are all in the comments. The JWK method should be set to public JWK URL. Check all the boxes for LTI Advantage services. Set privacy level to public. Configure your placements for the EditMentor tool. At a minimum, enable assignment selection. Activate LTI deep linking requests. Once saved, find your new developer key in the list and ensure it's enabled. Click Show Key, then copy this key for the next step. Add EditMentor to courses. This is the app setup. Open Settings, then Apps. Click on View App Configurations. Press the plus Add App. Choose By Client as your app type. Paste the client ID you copied previously. Click Submit to install the EditMentor app. After installation, configure the placement and deployment. Copy the deployment ID generated by Canvas for future reference. Close the setup screens after confirming configurations. In your course, open Assignments. Choose the Plus Assignments. Make sure to assign some points for your lesson if you want to keep the score. Change the submission type to External Tool. Click Find and select EditMentor from the tools list. You should see EditMentor's courses and lessons pop up. For testing, you can pick something like the Getting Started lesson. Then click Load this tool in a new tab. This workflow ensures your EditMentor assignments are easily available within Canvas and accessible to all students. At the end of the setup, the following 3 pieces of information must be sent to EditMentor's team to complete the activation: the client ID, the deployment ID, and the platform's URL. Please send this info to support@editmentor.com